Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some exciting happy mail to share with you guys. I got two packages from Cynthia in the mail. They are both heavy and loaded as usual. You guys know when she sends me mail, she definitely goes all out for me and I love her so much. So this is part one of two. We're going to be unboxing this first package and then in another video we'll unbox the second package. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Just going to go ahead and cut the box open. I probably should have took my thumbnail picture first, but I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I've been wanting to open it since I got the box and I'm like, no, just wait, just wait. So here we are. Alright, so here's the little card per usual. She always sends me a cute little card. She sent me a letter in this case. I'm going to go ahead and read it. Oh, thank you so much, Cynthia. And it is Choco Cats. I used to love collecting all this like Sanrio stuff. Obsessed. But I already see a lot of cute things. She put the purple tissue on top. So I'm going to start with... we have some Happy Planner sticker books. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. This one is the seasonal by the Wrong collection from Hobby Lobby. I already have one, but you know what? Like she said, dupes is always good. And one of the things with stickers is that I'm always scared to use them because if they're so cute, like I don't want to use them. But when you have backups, then you're like, okay, let's go ahead and use it. So I'm so excited. I love this one. And then she also sent me the everyday one, which is super cool because I have used quite a bit of mine. So it just has all these fun stickers. Obsessed. I love it, Cynthia. Thank you so much. And this one's new. I don't have this one in my collection. This one's called Going Places. And look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Total travel vibes. Summer vibes. Oh gosh, this is so cool. And you guys know I'm going on vacation really soon, so maybe I can use some of these for my upcoming spreads. Really, really cute, Cynthia. Thank you. And then here's another everyday one. Yay, I love those. And then let's see, she also sent this super cute little planner pouch. It is by Create 365 and it is so pretty. I love the size, how small it is. It has white lining on the inside and it's really, really cute. This one's actually probably good for like makeup brushes and that sort of thing. So I love that. Alright, so then she also sent me some enamel pins. It's so funny because I started collecting BTS enamel pins, but this one is so cute. It has like the little fashion purse. I love it. And these are by Echo Park. So cute, perfect to add to like your little lanyards if you're going let's say on a planner conference and you know they give you a little lanyard, or you know you can put them on your name tags, why not? And then next we're gonna go through some washi tape that she sent over. So here we have some washi tape. And this one's really cute. I love the color combination. Anything with like the little makeup is really cute, and the bows and the polka dots. This one is super feminine. I love it. Super romantic. It has like these beautiful red flowers. They look like red roses, and then the red washi tape. Here we have another one that has kind of like a tropical vibe to it. It's in gold with like a blush pink, and then this like teal blue with the gold flower. Really pretty. I love that. And then we have this one right here. I do love washi tape with writing on it. I think it's so cute, and it has little hearts and stars. It says fun, smile, happy, dream. Really cute, Cynthia. Thank you so much. I love them. Alright, next we got some more Pom Pom Trim. Oh my gosh. I actually just ordered like a pretty big bulk from Amazon because I needed some for my Easter and spring tans, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love pom-poms, you guys. They're so fun to play with. But I got two green ones that she sent me. Yes, perfect. These are definitely going to come in handy. I use these all the time. And then she sent me a white one, and these are 3 yards, by the way, which is a really good size, or a really good amount. And then I got 3 in the red. Yes, thank you so much, Cynthia. Appreciate it and love it. All right, she also sent me a mini composition book set, and this one's a set of 3, and they are in a pastel tone color. So we got like this pretty peach pink, and then the purple lilac, and then like a baby blue. Super cute. I always use those. And then here she sent me another little set, so she sent 2 of these. And then she sent some of these. This one says love this moment and a calendar. Oh, this one's cool. I think this is for a personal ring size planner. Look at that. Really cool. And then this one says love this moment, so it's kind of like a journaling. That's cool. I like that one. And it has the 3 rings for the, or the 6 rings for the personal ring planner. So thank you, Cynthia. She also sent me some more of these extra little notebooks, recollection notebooks. I don't know how she finds these, because at my Michael's they don't have them anymore. They switched them out for something different, but I love these. You guys know I like to use these in my planners. These have the little planner books, so it has the planner calendar, the grid dot, and then the plain book. So these always come in handy for me. I use them for my TNs all the time, and I'm so grateful that she, you know, hooks me up with them. And then I have these little books right here. These are so cute. Again, these are perfect for making my little traveler's notebooks. Also good for just putting one in your bag, and in case you need to like brain dump or anything like that, or do a quick to-do list, that's also good for that. Or just to have in your purse if you have like little kids, have a pen or some markers, and they can just doodle all over it to keep them entertained. And then here's another little set. So I love the patterns and the prints. This one is just so chic, so cute. I love it. And then next we have another set of little notebooks. I love this little set. It is by Design Group, and we get 3 counts, and it has all these 3 sets right here. These are really cute. I really like these for TNs because these are nice and flexible, like when you open them. I really like those. So, and the size is really good as well. She also sent some blank inserts, and these are traveler's notebook inserts. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This one, it says let's be a mermaid, and this one has the mermaids. So look at how cool that is. And you get 2-line notebook inserts. Each one has 32 sheets. Amazing. Cynthia, thank you. Definitely hooked it up. And then I see it. She also sent me the Agenda 52 A5 size inserts. Oh my gosh, this is a 12-month planner insert, non-dated, which is great. And then it's for an A5 planner, and it's by the Paper Studio. And I actually do have an A5 ring planner, a brand new one. I think that she gifted me. And it didn't have inserts, so maybe I'll throw these in there, but maybe this will be my next planner. Look at how cute this is. An A5 planner is probably like my favorite size, or my ideal size, I would say. But Cynthia, thank you so much. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's everything that she sent me in part 1 of this awesome happy mail. I'm so happy. As always, Cynthia, you're amazing. Guys, let her know down below how awesome and amazing she is. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.